Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to change the font style in PowerPoint on your mobile step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Step 1. Open the PowerPoint app on your mobile. Make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account so you can access all your presentations. Step 2. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. This will allow you to create a new presentation or open an existing one. For this tutorial, you can create a new slide or use one of your existing slides. Step 3. Click on the text box where you want to change the font. If there's no text box yet, simply insert one by tapping the text box option in the toolbar. Then tap inside the text box to activate it. Step 4. Tap on the font style options available. Once the text box is selected, look for the toolbar at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device. There you'll find an option for fonts. Tap on it to open the font menu. Step 5. You will see various font options. Select the one that suits your preference. Scroll through the list and tap on the font style you like. Your text will instantly change to the new font style you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font style in PowerPoint on your mobile. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.